So hey guys, what's up? Welcome back. Today I'm going to be teaching you another strategy that actually gives me money. It is actually called the break and retest strategy. It's actually called the pullback strategy, and I'm going to be teaching you guys. So come on, let's dive into the chart. So first of all, I told you guys that market actually doesn't move in a straight line. Market goes like this, goes up, comes down, goes up again, comes down, and markets keep going. Now, most of the times when markets goes up, comes down, goes up again, market actually comes into this particular zone, and from there we can actually use it to buy or to sell. Let me give you another example. So let's imagine that we are actually on a downtrend. Do you guys understand? So market actually comes like this, goes like this. Market goes up. No. Okay, yes. Market starts like this. So it goes like this. The market comes down. This particular place, market always comes here. It's actually like a support and a resistance, right? If we are to put a line right here, or okay, let's say we put a rectangle right here, we can see that at this point, this was actually a support for the market. Market came down, went like this, but market couldn't break above this higher high, and market started coming down. Then when market got to this place, this place now actually acted like a resistance. So this place acted like a support for market, and this place actually acted like a resistance for market. Now, let us look at it in the charts. You understand? I want you guys to pay very, very close attention, because this strategy always comes from time to time, and it is actually very, very easy to spot, and it can give you so much money. So we can actually see from the market right now, the markets actually went up like this. Markets came down. Do you guys understand? So we're expecting market to come to this side, then if possible, break below structure. Do you guys understand? So we're expecting market to come to this place. That means this place was actually an area of value, right? Then we're expecting market to come back to this particular zone. Let us see what market did. Let's replay. So what do we see here? What do we see? So this zone, I told you guys, always use rectangles, right? So we can actually see that when markets came here, went up, market failed to break above this previous higher high, telling us that, oh, it is actually a downtrend. And looking at the trend, like using your top-down analysis, you can actually see that market has been going in a downtrend. I told you always ride the trend. So market actually went up, came down, market came back to this same place. Do you guys understand? When it came to the same place, how do we know that? How can we say we want to sell? Because of what? This week right here, and we can now start seeing the little candles. You understand? The buyers don't have so much pressure right now in the market. And what the market do? We saw markets come to retest this place. Do you guys understand? I told you guys at this point in time, we could see that, oh, we could see that there is no buyers in the market. We could see little candles. Do you understand? So market came to this place to retest this particular zone, like break and retest. Because when market came here, market broke this place. It came back to retest where it has actually broken before it comes down. Most of the time, I tell a lot of beginner traders, I tell them, if you want to actually enter for a sale, allow market to break a structure. Market should actually come back. Listen, it's not just about saying market want to buy or market want to sell. Do you understand? Your entry is actually very, very important. This is actually what will separate you from a beginner forex trader to a professional forex trader. It's not just about guessing where the market is going to go to daily. No. Now sometimes I only take trades, if possible, once in a week, sometimes 3 times in 2 weeks. Do you guys understand? Because your entry is actually very, very important. And anytime we enter into the market like that, you actually come out in profit. Do you guys understand? So it's not just about if you are guessing where the market is. You wake up in the morning and you're trying to guess where the market is going to go to, or you wake up in the night, you're trying to guess where the market is. No. Do you guys understand? Your entry is actually very important. You wait till market shows you a perfect point. You understand? When, okay, let us imagine that market was actually selling. It was at this place. There's nothing you can actually do at this point. What you have to do at this point is maybe you can draw your Fibonacci retracement and be expecting market to get back to the 50% level, or you actually wait for market to actually retest this zone, to break this zone and actually retest this zone. And that was exactly what market did. And what do we do at this point in time? We sell. We actually sell. We can actually put it here. And this is actually over 300 pips, because actually this is actually on a daily time frame. I told you trading daily time frame will actually like give you so many pips, and it takes long time before it actually plays out. So let us play. Let us see what market did again. So we see that market broke below. You understand? So at this point in time, there's nothing you can actually do in this place. There's nothing you can do in this place. Like at this point in time, all you can be expecting at this point is what? A reversal. I told you, when you see little candles like that, you can start seeing market want to reverse. So what are we expecting market to do now at this point? We're expecting market to what? Market has broken this structure. Maybe was support before for market, because market came down here. Market couldn't go below this place, and market went up. Market broke structure, and we're expecting market to what? To retest this zone before we can actually wait for a sell. Do you guys understand? So what do? We wait. You wait. Waiting in forex market is actually very, very important. You understand? It's actually called patience. You wait for the right time. So let us see what market did. Let's see what market did. So market was playing. It kept playing. You can see at this point in time, market is trying to retest that zone. You see, then what did market do? Market actually came down. You understand? Now, how would you know that market is about to sell you? How do you know that market will not come to this place and retest? No, I told you guys, candlestick. Candles is actually very important. When you just start seeing little candles forming, and you can now start seeing a wick, you understand? You cannot tell me that market has to come to this particular zone because of I drew this rectangle here. That means market must come to this particular zone. No, you don't really know where market is going. Market can, at this point, the market cannot decide to buy. At this point here, market can decide to sell. You understand? But it is all these things you have to like pay attention to. Do you guys understand? So looking at this page, you can now start seeing little candles forming. At that point in time, oh, there's a possibility for a reversal. Now you can tell me there were little candles forming here, but there was a wick to the downside. Do you guys understand? It is the position where you see the wick that you can actually see if market want to go up or it wants to go down. When you see a wick, a rejection like this above, you can see market want to sell. You see a wick like this, you see market want to sell. But when you see a wick under, like this, you see market wants to buy. So the break and retest tool actually works. You guys should go ahead. You can backtest it. Use the 5-minute time frame, the 15 minutes time frame, the 30 minutes time frame, the 1 hour time frame. You will see that this strategy actually works. No matter what, it actually works. Market always breaks structure, comes back to that structure to retest, then actually goes again in that direction. This is actually on a sell. I want to show you guys, give you guys a buy to show you guys that market actually does this almost all the time. Do you guys understand? Okay, now looking at this place, okay, let me show you. I'm trying to like this level, right? Market went up, came down, went up again. Market had to what? Come up to this place to what? To retest this level. Do you guys understand? Let me try to give you guys another example. Let me give you guys another example. I actually want to give you guys a buy example on the market. So let us try to move down to the 4 hours time frame. This is actually the Euro USD. I'm on the Euro USD 4 hours time frame right now. So it works in 5 minutes time frame, 15 minutes time frame. No matter the time frame, when we are talking about market breaking structure, once market has broken the key level, you actually have to wait for market to what? To come back to that particular place to retest that level before it will do what? Before it will go back. So let us see. We can actually see this right here. Yes, this particular level. See it right here. Okay, I'm trying to draw my rectangle, right? I told you guys rectangles are very, very important. If you draw a straight line, you might not be so sure. So what did we see market do? Market was on a buy. Market came down here. The base was acting as a support. It went up. Do you guys understand? Market went up. But market couldn't keep going up anymore. We saw this large wick right here to show that, okay, there's what? There is bearish momentum. You understand? Market sold. came back to this same place. Do you guys understand? We saw little candles, we saw a lot of wicks, and what the market do? Market actually sold. You understand? When you're putting this in your down analysis, when you're putting this in your technical analysis, you are combining the Fibonacci, you are combining you're combining the break and retest strategy, you are combining your candlestick patterns. I taught you guys about candlestick patterns that actually work so well. We have the double top, we have the head and shoulder pattern, we have the flag pattern. All these things are in this course. I want you guys to go ahead and start retest, go and backtest all these strategies, backtest them. Go onto your trading view app, look for these areas, retest them, use the replay tool, and see how market actually behaves. Like I told you, everything that happens in the forex market is just anything that happens in the left will actually happen on the right. Now, whatever has happened in the past before has high possibility of actually happening again in the future. So use this strong strategy, guys, and actually use it to your advantage. You understand? Market always, most of the time, always comes back to the zone it actually broke before, and it starts to go in the direction that it actually wants to go. It's actually called a continuous trend because market was going forward before. It came back to retest where it was before to continue going forward. So hey guys, that's all for today. I'm so excited because today market was like so good to us. Me and my guys, we actually made profits. You understand? So I want you guys to like use this strategy, make money. I'll see you guys in the next class. Peace.